That classic hot dog at the ballpark or backyard barbecue. How is it actually made?
Today on Food Flavor, we reveal the full industrial process behind hot dogs and sausages.
From carefully selected meat to the perfectly cooked link in the package, this is how it's done at scale. Hot dogs are one of America's most iconic foods, produced by the billions every year. The process combines meat science, precise seasoning, and high-speed production.
Like and subscribe to Food Flavor if you love discovering how everyday favorites are really made.
It starts with high-quality meat, beef, pork, chicken, or a carefully balanced blend. Trimmings and selected cuts are delivered to the plant under strict temperature control. Every load is inspected for freshness, quality, and safety. The meat is kept cold to maintain food safety and texture. Clean, prepared meat is the foundation of every good hot dog. It now moves to the grinding stage.
Ice or cold water helps control temperature during mixing. For hot dogs, the mixture must be fine and fully emulsified.
The seasoned meat is now ready for the next critical step.
This creates a fine, smooth meat emulsion.
Proper emulsification gives hot dogs their signature tender bite.
Temperature is tightly controlled to keep the emulsion stable.
The fine meat batter is now ready to be stuffed.
It is filled into long casings under precise pressure.
Cellulose casings are commonly used for skinless hot dogs.
Natural or collagen casings are used for many sausages.
Uniform size and shape are essential for even cooking.
Smoke is often added for classic flavor and color. The cooking process sets the structure and develops flavor. Once fully cooked, the hot dogs are firm yet tender. For skinless varieties, the cellulose casings are peeled away. Labels and dates are applied before final boxing.
From raw meat to the classic hot dog ready for the grill, this is the complete industrial journey.
Next time you bite into a juicy hot dog at a game or barbecue, you'll know the precise process behind it.
One of America's simplest and most beloved foods, made with care at massive scale.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which food should we reveal next?